Hey guys, what's up? It's Karl here, back with a very special video, and this one can only be recorded once every 4 years because, as you know, 2020 is a leap year, so we've got that extra day in February. I've partnered up with Best Buy. We're here right now, and we're gonna challenge people what they would do if we gave them some cash, what kind of tech they would buy, and what they would do on that extra spare day. So let's get out of the rain, out of the snow, inside, and give people some loot to buy some tech. So as you know, today, or I guess this month, is a leap year. We've got the extra day. We're giving out some Best Buy cash. What kind of piece of tech, or what would you do with that spare day? This is for you.
Oh my god, I would put this cash towards a brand new iMac and make my apartment look sick and watch movies all day.
Okay, so give us like your favorite movie you've watched recently.
I would say Parasite's gotta be that
Parasite, yeah, that's dope. Hopefully you spend that extra day wisely.
Thank you.
All right, thanks man.
I would probably get like a new phone case because I need a new phone case, and Best Buy's phone cases are pretty nice. I've gotten a few Best Buy cases, yeah.
What phone are you rocking there?
S8, Samsung S8.
S8? Oh, so
Yeah.
you're in the Samsung
Yeah.
section. I see it. I see it. So some new phone cases,
Yes.
and like you've got the extra day. What would you spend like your extra day doing in February?
I spent my extra day coming to Best Buy. You know?
I would probably look at like more tech because I love tech. I love my phone. I like just looking at like new things and just seeing like whatever I can get, I'll get.
So enjoy the extra day, spend that cash wisely, and enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
I would definitely buy a new printer.
So does that mean you'd spend the extra day printing?
Oh, I guess I would spend the extra day not printing.
Not printing.
I'd be doing anything but printing. I would go watch some stand-up, watch some Netflix, just relax and be entertained.
And not have to worry about that printer.
And not worry about the printer.
Thank you so much. Enjoy your extra day in the year, and yeah, enjoy Best Buy.
Thanks for this.
I think I'd probably play some extra video games since I have the time on the weekend to do that.
So what game would you play?
Super Smash Bros. It's been one of my favorite games for the past couple months.
Are you playing on Switch?
Yes, on the Switch.
On the
obviously.
Switch. That's dope. All right, so enjoy that money, enjoy that extra day in the year, and enjoy Super Smash.
Thanks a ton.
Okay, so we hopefully hooked up some people with some sweet tech, and I've got 2 extra gift cards, and these are for you guys. One is going away here on YouTube, so leave a comment what piece of tech you would buy on that spare day, or what you would do with a spare day. One is going on over to Insta, so I'll have a pic. Go check that out as well. I'm about to buy some tech myself, and I'll let you know what I'll do with my spare day in this leap year. So let's get shopping, and I'll let you guys know, and we'll head back to the studio. Got a nice little haul. Okay, inside from all of the snow, it's like I brought it all back from out west. I was just snowboarding, if you guys have followed along on social, but I did pick up a ton of stuff myself. If it were up to me on the extra day of the year, I would probably grab some fitness related tech. I'm huge into staying active. Like I mentioned, I was just snowboarding, and one of the biggest things that I thought, I didn't have a smartwatch that could track altitude. That's why I picked up the Garmin Fenix 5X. I also got a pair of headphones and a Fitbit. We'll get to that later. We'll do an unboxing across all of my stuff. If you're looking into the high end of fitness sport watches, Garmin is usually on the top of that. They're really tailored and specific for workouts, especially for tracking GPS. So I know a ton of runners that have this. It can map out distance, trail times, altitude, live heart rate, and it's built like an absolute tank. So even when I was 3,000 meters above sea level, above the tree line in -10 degrees, filled with snow, this guy would have worked perfectly fine. This is really specific to extreme workouts, and if that's not your jam, you want something a bit more budget friendly and are just looking to track your normal fitness, I've also grabbed a Fitbit Charge 3. And Fitbits have always been great at just tracking general fitness, so say heart rate, of course your steps. It does track sleep cycles as well, and if you compare these two, you can just see the size difference. The Fitbit is a way smaller and slimmer profile. Obviously way cheaper and coming in and around that $100 price range. And the last item that I got to spend my extra day, I could always jam out to music. These are the Jabra Elites 75Ts. And I did see these at CES this year, and because I do have my S20 Ultra, I was looking for a pair of AirPod Pros alternatives. These have been one of those headphones that I've been looking forward to trying in 2020, but that pretty much wraps up this sweet little video. I know it was a bit different. Like I mentioned, it only can happen once every 4 years because of leap year. Remember that I've got 2 extra gift cards from Best Buy to give away, so just make sure you leave the comment down below on what you would do with that extra day in February. And of course, over on Instagram, I've got that corresponding pic, so make sure you follow me over there. You can check out all of the tech that not only I picked, but some of you that I did meet in Best Buy. I will leave links, of course, down below. If you ever have any questions about the tech that you end up picking out, they do always have Geek Squad to help you out, so just make sure you check them out. Big thanks again, and I had a ton of fun recording this video and hope to catch the rest of you in one of my next ones or one of my vlogs. Peace!